What if you could cheat and learn words, phrases, and grammar 2 times faster? You'll learn how to do just that with our exclusive PDF cheat sheets. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. First, so what are cheat sheets? With our learning program, you learn the language with conversation-based lessons that you can just listen to or watch and get everything explained and start speaking those very same dialogues. And as a bonus, you also get PDF cheat sheets as supplementary material for the lessons. These cheat sheets cover must-know topics like weather, your hobbies, daily routine, and much more. There are over 30 cheat sheets inside, and you'll find them inside our program, so they're not available anywhere else. Inside each cheat sheet, you get the words, phrases, and sentence patterns related to the topic that you can quickly review whenever you have a minute or two. So that's how the cheat sheets work. Now, how can you learn faster with these cheat sheets? Just download a cheat sheet, print it, keep it nearby, and glance through as much as possible. Not for hours a day, but just a few minutes throughout the day. It's as simple as that. If you can follow these simple steps and do this daily, you'll actually learn faster. Faster than if you were to sit down and memorize for hours a day. You'll know all of the words and phrases in and out, simply because you've seen them enough times. Language learning is all about repeated exposure. The more you're exposed to the language, the better you'll remember it. And the cheat sheets give you that quick exposure to the words, phrases, and grammar patterns. You can always save the PDFs to your device, but having physical cheat sheets will speed up your progress. It's just easier to pick one up and glance through. Plus, you can write on them for extra practice. Otherwise, if you keep the PDFs on your device, chances are you'll barely use them and forget about them. How can you get access to our PDF cheat sheets? If you're a member, you already have access. If not, just click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get our learning program and these bonus cheat sheets. Once you've signed up and logged in, come back to the special PDF lessons page. The PDFs will now be available for instant download, and that's it. So, if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account.
How are your Polish listening skills? First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
Mężczyzna i kobieta rozmawiają. Co nie przytrafiło się mężczyźnie? O, Robert, witaj z powrotem. Kiedy wróciłeś?
Wczoraj wieczorem.
Jak było w Tajlandii? Wyglądasz na raczej zmęczonego. Byłeś bardzo zajęty?
Negocjacje poszły jak po maśle, ale podróż powrotna była straszna.
To znaczy?
Pomyliłem czas odlotu z czasem przylotu i spóźniłem się na samolot.
Poważnie?
Ta, ale jeśli to byłby jedyny problem, to nie byłoby tak źle. Po tym ktoś ukradł mój portfel. Potem, kiedy chciałem skorzystać z karty kredytowej, która nie była w portfelu, okazało się, że już wygasła, więc nie mogłem jej użyć. Więc musiałem czekać 15 godzin na następny lot. Nie byłoby tak źle, gdybym mógł zaczekać w hotelu.
To dlatego jesteś taki zmęczony.
Tak,
Co nie przytrafiło się mężczyźnie? Mężczyzna i kobieta rozmawiają. Co nie przytrafiło się mężczyźnie? O, Robert, witaj z powrotem. Kiedy wróciłeś?
wczoraj wieczorem.
Jak było w Tajlandii? Wyglądasz na raczej zmęczonego. Byłeś bardzo zajęty?
Negocjacje poszły jak po maśle, ale podróż powrotna była straszna.
To znaczy?
Pomyliłem czas odlotu z czasem przylotu i spóźniłem się na samolot.
Poważnie?
Ta, ale jeśli to byłby jedyny problem, to nie byłoby tak źle. Po tym ktoś ukradł mój portfel. Potem, kiedy chciałem skorzystać z karty kredytowej, która nie była w portfelu, okazało się, że już wygasła, więc nie mogłem jej użyć. więc musiałem czekać 15 godzin na następny lot. Nie byłoby tak źle, gdybym mógł zaczekać w hotelu.
To dlatego jesteś taki zmęczony.
Tak.
Did you get it right? I hope you learned something from this quiz. Let us know if you have any questions. See you next time.
Did you get your free language gifts of the month yet? Download them now before they expire in the next few days. First, the top 25 questions you need to know cheat sheet. This PDF gives you 25 questions all beginners need to know for conversations. Download it now. Second, practice writing greetings for absolute beginners. If you're learning the language and still don't know the greetings, that's a problem. And this PDF workbook helps you master all the greetings. Just print the PDF and practice writing them out. Third, spring words beginners should know. Chances are you don't know enough words to talk about spring. So this bonus lesson will teach you how to say spring, windy, rainy, and much more. Fourth, top 15 phrases for spring break. Want to talk about your spring break plans? This 1-minute lesson teaches you how to say stay home and relax, travel abroad, and much more. And finally, looking for an app that actually gets you speaking? The innovative language learning app skips the random vocab drills and teaches you through real conversations between real native speakers. And all you have to do is press play and follow along. Download it for free on Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your free gifts of the month, click the link in the description below. And
Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.